Video. In today's video I will show you how to track users location even in the background for native Android application. So yeah, let's get started. So what I have done firstly is, if you check, I have created an Android application using Jetpack Compose. Next, inside Android manifest, I have added internet access course location, access find location, and foreground service, as well as this post notification permission which is required from Android T and above. uh, and inside service I have added our location service. Now you might be thinking that I'm getting the background location but I'm not using the background permission. First of all, be very careful with the background permission. Like, I'm not using it because if you use it, you will have to while uploading your app to production on Google Play Store, you have to provide a justification on why you are using it, and it's very likely your app can get rejected. That's why it's better to use foreground service, so that the user is also aware even though your app is in background, it is still tracking your location. Now secondly, I have copied this tutorial from Philip Lackner. Now the reason I'm making this video, I want to show you some changes, like some of the code is deprecated in Philip Lackner's tutorial. That's why I'm making this video. Otherwise I had no intention of making this. Next, inside context extension, I am just checking whether it has the location permission or not. Okay, so yeah. And next, what I'm doing is, so inside constant extraction we have just defined this. Next, inside default location client, again I have just copy pasted this from Philip Lackner, but here if you see, he is using some method which is deprecated, and here you should use location request dot builder, something like this. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Next, for location app, this thing will remain the same. Yeah, we are just requesting for notification. Next, in location client, this is a simple interface. And in location service, again this has been copied from Philip Lackner's video, but the thing which I have changed is I think so what he was doing is, he was so when you decide to show a notification, like a persistent notification which cannot be easily dismissed, it takes a little time. That's why show it in your UI first, then after few seconds this will be available in your notification manager. Okay, and the other thing which he was showing is the stop foreground is deprecated. So if you are using Android T and above, you will have to use something like this, stop foreground dispatch. Okay, next, inside main activity, here I'm requesting for course fine and post notification if it is Android T and above. And this is how we are requesting the permission, and if the permission is granted, if it is not granted, just display a toast message. If it is granted, then we'll have to first check whether user has enabled location, his GPS or not. If not, then move him to settings, make sure he enables it. Then you will have to again click the get location button, so which I will show you. And if it is not, yeah, enable location. So here you can see I've just created two button, and here inside start I'm just launching our permission. So if you have permission, we will check for GPS. If we have GPS, we will get the location as well. And this button is just to stop the location. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.